What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. For those of you who don't know who I am, my name is Ryan, so thank you so much for showing up. And for those of you who have been here a long time, thanks for showing up. Now, we got another question from Lu En. Lu En, thanks so much for the questions. You've been keeping me very active for making these daily videos. And trust me, every question counts, man, because it helps me make these videos. That way, I can always have content coming out every day for y'all. And in this year, 2021, I want to have content for every single day of this year. So please ask questions, give me video ideas, let me know what y'all want to see, and I'll definitely try my best to do it. Now anyway, Lu En, you asked the question if you should get your ASE. Should I get my ASEs, Lu En? I don't think you need it. Let me tell you why. I know men who've gotten their ASEs and don't know how to fix a car. I know men who don't have ASEs and can fix a damn car. They know how to fix vehicles. For me, I was never the test-taking type. I really am not that great at taking tests. If I really had to, I can do it. Like, I used to go to school for occupational therapy. I used to go to school trying to be like a radiation therapist and stuff like that. And I was really good at science, and I was really good at taking tests and studying and stuff like that. But for some reason, when it comes to tests that are more than 40 minutes long and more than 100 questions long, I cannot do it. I cannot sit there for 3 hours and take a test. ASE is a 3-hour sit down and you take that test on a Scantron. I don't know if they changed it to computers now. When I was doing it, it was Scantron. And I end up losing interest. And then I just want to get out of there, so I fill in anything, and then I fail. So I don't really, I don't know what it is. I guess I don't have the attention span. Call it what you will. I cannot sit down for 3 hours to take a test. If you think you can do that, and you want to get your ASEs, go right ahead, my friend. Pay your money and get it. Honestly, if you're going to open your own mobile mechanic business, and you want to do it yourself, you don't really need it. Some customers may like it because they'll think like, yes, you know what you're doing. But honestly, you only know what you're doing in theory. You will never fully know what you're doing until you come across a problem and actually handle it in a real life situation. I don't like ASEs because they give you these dumb theoretical questions that sometimes the way they word it just doesn't make sense to me. But I can come across a car in person, see the issue that's making, and I can take my time and figure it out. What's going on? What's the problem? Am I getting power here? What's being shorted? Is something not giving me power? Is this just on its last leg? Did it die? Things like that. ASEs doesn't really help you in that way. It just tries to see if you know the theory of fixing a car. But the theory of fixing a car versus actually fixing a car are two very separate things, my friend. So I don't think you really need the ASEs. Actually, you know what? You don't need ASEs. You do not need ASEs to fix a car. You do not need ASEs to have your business up and running. First of all, clients don't even really care if you have an ASE. I've never ran into one customer that's asked me, do you have ASEs? And if they do, I just tell them no. And I'm like, if that's what you care about, you can get somebody else to fix your car. I'm not going to be your guy, and I'm not going to go through any issues. But like, if you want someone genuine who will actually give you the correct answer when you need it, or actually be there when you need them, then I'm your guy. And 100% of the time, every customer has taken me. Not one has turned me down because I don't have an ASE. And honestly, I don't care about ASEs. I just think they're a waste of time. I really do. Either you can fix a car or you can't fix a car. Anyone could take a test. But can you really fix a car? That's all that matters. Because even though you have an ASE, it's not like you can throw the ASE. Here's your ASE. It's not like you could just do that and the car's fixed. It don't work like that, alright? You gotta get down, get your tools in your hand, start cranking away and ratcheting and wrenching and everything, and then the car will be fixed. So don't worry about ASEs, Lu En. Do your thing, get your business set up, and start making the move. It's okay to ask questions. Ask me all the questions you need. But make your move. You're not gonna know until you do it, okay? So, sorry for rambling on, but just a side note, do it, Lu En. Get up, go start your business, get whatever tools you want, get the vehicle you want, and start. Don't procrastinate it. Don't overthink it. Don't think like, oh my god, I need advertising all over here. Let me actually tell you how I advertise real quick, Lu En, because this is off topic, but let me tell you how I advertise. I printed out some business cards from vistaprint.com, okay? I got a good deal on them. You can get a good deal on them. I got like 500 cards. Or 1,000 cards or something like that. And I went to my local grocery store. I think it was a Stop and Shop or something in New Jersey. And I went to every single car on the weekend, and I put my business cards on their windshield, in their door handles, so when they open it. And I did that for 3 weeks straight, every weekend in the snow. I didn't care. Then one day I started getting calls, and it started working. Every call I got, I had them leave me a review after the vehicle was done, and I made sure to follow up with them to see if they left that review. And then I always answered all my reviews, so everyone knows that I'm active and it's legit. You can post your business on Google. It's called Google My Business, 100% free. Do it. It's worth it, and manage it. And always, you know, be personable with your customers and react back with them and talk to them and stuff like that, and you'll be fine, man. But yeah, it's all about really hustling. Just go and put your business cards out there and stuff. You'll be fine. The best advertisement is word of mouth. And that's how you're going to get it. So always tell them to, you know, just tell their friends and stuff like that. And just be real and personable. Once you have that, you're golden. So, Lu En, I hope this helped. Sorry about the rambles. Definitely leave me any more, you know, questions that you want answered, and I will definitely get to it for you. If you guys have not subscribed yet, please make sure you hit the subscribe button to this channel, and also hit the like button to boost this up into the YouTube algorithm. Every like helps. Thank you all. Peace out, and I'll see y'all for the next one.